Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes a van looks like it writes a to-do list before leaving the driveway. The 1970 Ford E200 Emperor high-top camper is that sort of machine. Half cargo box, half rolling cabin, all charm. Ford's second-generation Econoline was the platform for this rig. In 1970, the E200's 105.5-inch, 268cm wheelbase could be ordered with a 240 in 3.9 lits, 6 or a 302Q in 5.0 lit V8 making around 205 horsepower. A 3-speed C4 automatic and rear-wheel drive delivered decent cruise power, while the twin I-beam front and leaf spring rear suspension kept it rugged. I think the high-top roof adds as much headroom as heart, letting 6-footers stand and cook without stooping. The Emperor conversion turns the utilitarian van into a home. Inside you'll find a gas stove, sink, refrigerator, and even a small loo. An awning extends outside, power steering and disc brakes make driving easy, and a new laminate floor lines the living area. Curb weight is roughly 350 pounds, 520 kilograms, and length about 16 feet, 4.9 meters. Enough space for a bed, yet not too unwieldy for city streets. A plain E200 cost about $2,776 in 1970, around $23,239 in 2025, or €21,000 before camper fittings were added. Recent sales of similar campers hover near $20,000, showing collectors appreciate their charm. What I like most is the honesty. It's not fast or flashy. It just wants to get you and your family to the lake with dinner simmering inside. Timmy, always tinkering, tried mounting a surfboard on the roof despite living nowhere near water. The van forgave him. Later, he wired a disco light to the horn, so every turn became a party. Our conspiracy-loving neighbor Bob refuses to ride in anything pre-1995, claiming aliens hid antennas in the pop-top. We keep telling him the only thing hiding up there is a sleeping bag. So here's to the Emperor high-top camper, a van that delivers comfort with a dash of 70s optimism. And if you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, consider becoming a $1 sponsor of Camp Avto. The link is in the description. Help keep the stories flowing and the laughs rolling.